Hey, what is going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me today. And today I want to talk about making money online. Is it still possible in 2019? Can you do it? And what you need to do in order to make some money online. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started because I don't want to bore you with all the little introductory stuff. So yeah, 2019. Can you still make money online? Absolutely. There's people doing it every day, and what I keep telling people is there's too much money out there for you not to be getting your share. So why are you not getting your share? Why am I not getting my share? Well, I'm working on getting my share. But why are people not getting their share? It's going to come down to two things, and two things you need to do really, really well. Because in order to make money online, you have to have a few things, and you have to have people who are willing to pay you for a service or a product or something of that sort. So why do people want to pay you for that? Because the reason why people either pay for courses or a service is because they value their time. Time is something we can never get back, and so that is the most valuable asset to most people. That's why a lot of these people will eventually outsource things and pay for other services so they can get their time back, so they can continue on to other things to either make more money or have more time so they can travel and do things like that. So what do I think is the first, probably the most important thing? I would say it has to do with this muscle up here and those back. That's part of the reason is some of these back here. You need to read, but you don't want to just to read. You want to read to get nuggets and to get things. Yeah, they say the average CEO reads 60 books a year. That's awesome. But why do they read 60 books a year? They're not reading just to say they read 60 books a year. They're reading for the information that's in it. The people who've done it before them that have succeeded. So why do more people not want to do it? It's because they don't want to change, or they don't want to learn something else, or it's frightening or something like that. The funny thing is most people are willing to get a job. And when you first get a job, do you know exactly what that job entails, every little aspect of it? Probably not. You have to learn some things. So why are more people not wanting to learn things? I think people are just kind of comfortable and in a comfortable spot and, don't really want to change. We are creatures of habit and not creatures of change. So most people don't want to change. They want to be comfortable and, and there's a structure when you have a job. Being an entrepreneur and trying to make money online or trying to make money from anywhere, when you have your own business, you are responsible for everything. So you are the structure. So that's what these books are for. That's why you want to hang out with the right people, the right-minded people, and you want to continuously bring value to your customers or your fellow colleagues that are willing to help you out. You want to collab with people. You want to interview other people, and you want to eventually get your time back so you can go do the things you guys love to do. So yeah, first thing, work on the mindset. Mindset is going to be probably one of the more important things you could do. I firmly believe that. Before I got started, my mindset was just do the military thing and retire that way. As I kind of started breaking out and started learning about my journey as an entrepreneur, and I got out of the military, I had to learn how to, it was a good structure on that end because they helped my mindset in terms of there's an order to everything. So now I just have to be more diligent and planning things out. That's probably another more important thing. Make sure you plan things out. As Grant Cardone says, or Uncle G says, white space on the calendar is terrible. It's like evil on the calendar. You don't want white space on the calendar. You want to book your things up. That's not to say don't spend time with your family if you have family or things like that. That's just to say make sure you account for all your time. If you account for all your money, why not account for all your time? Time is like currency. So again, work on your mindset and be sure to plan things out. Just develop a structure and start learning new skills so you can provide value to your current customers and your new customers coming forward. And if you like this video, please give me a like on this video. Feel free to share it with whoever you think you provide value to, and subscribe to this channel. That would really help. It'd be awesome. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you want more videos, hit the little notification bell so we can go ahead and get you notified whenever a new video like this comes out. Anywho, y'all have a great day. See ya.